Hi, it's Steve,
And Mel.
and we have a new project.
Yes, we do. What are we making, Mel?
So we're gonna make this table. We had these legs
That
sitting.
I had taken another tabletop off of the original table, used the original tabletop for something else.
And so the legs were sitting here for a long time, and then we decided, why don't we get a tabletop and like tile a table?
So that's what we're going to do. And what we started with was just these bare wood legs, which have now been stained. You can see how beautifully stained they are.
Signed by Steve. I didn't do that.
Very nicely done.
Yes.
That's a good job,
Good job, Steve.
And so we went to the hardware store and we bought a sheet of OSB because it's cheap.
Turns
And turns out that OSB sucks up water like crazy,
A bunch of
and we
people
were
said that to
advised
us.
by a number of people that we needed to seal it really well.
So we did.
So we weren't planning on painting this, but what we did is we painted it with some good sealer.
Outdoor sealer. We did that. And now,
And now, because the thickness of this wood is 3/4 of an inch, which we did on purpose so that it's nice and stiff, well, we should talk about what it is we're doing first.
oh yeah. So okay, we're gonna tile the top of this table, and we chose an image that we like.
We're going to make a mosaic.
We're gonna make a mosaic with tile of a frog image that we found online.
And we'll show you that image later.
Yes.
And
But in order to do that, we have to.
so in order to do that, what we need is we need a lip, and it has to be thick enough that we can put the mud down and then put the tile down, and then on top of that we're going to pour
Resin. Cover it in
resin to
resin.
make it nice and smooth and flat
Yep.
and protect it. And
And then this will be done, and it can sit outside and be beautiful.
yeah, and in order to get the trim where we want it to be, we have to make it because they don't sell it as thick as we need it.
So you're.
So I went and bought some boards.
Yep.
And
so
we set up the table saw,
He's gonna cut those things,
and we're
and
gonna rip those boards.
he's gonna rip the boards, and I'm gonna
And
catch the
then we're
boards when they fall like a
and then
baby.
we're gonna come out and we're gonna make
This table.
a beautiful.
And the goal is to do this relatively soon and actually complete this project.
We'll see if that happens.
That's the goal.
That is the
we
goal.
shall see if that happens.
All right.
Good luck, us.
Good luck.
Thanks.